Clearly pink is my favorite color. It's actually surprisingly become my favorite color recently. बचपन में नहीं था.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
And whenever I do this, it looks like I've not worn anything. That's why my mummy told me take care. थोड़ा दूर बैठना ताकि लोगों को ये गलतफहमी नहीं हो कि तू नंगे बैठी है. Hey everyone, my name is Nisha Shetty and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're here after watching the part 1, you actually came.
So you must really be mad.
I love you so much. Thank you. You mean the world to me. And if you're someone who's new to this video, I'm going to link part 1 here. But wait. Don't go and watch the part 1 right away. I will link it in the description box as well. Watch this and then go and watch part 1. So in the part 1 of my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul, I have covered skincare, hair care and body care products and some Nykaa luxury products. And in this video, I'm going to talk about all the drugstore products that I've bought in this haul. And I'm really excited because I am the drugstore girl. So I've also categorized my drugstore products. I know, I'm so organized and all that, right? So I'm going to begin with one product from L'Oreal Paris. Then I have Maybelline Color Bar. I have one product from Miss Claire. And I've kept Nykaa towards the end because I have many products from Nykaa. So let's start with this video. So the very first product had to be the one product that was on sale and बिना कोई सेकंड थॉट्स के मुझे खरीदना ही था. My absolute favorite L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation. Now, if you've seen my Diwali Get Ready With Me makeup look, you already know I love this foundation. I swear by it. I've been using it for like ever. If you open my makeup drawer, you'll find multiple bottles of this product. And ये मुझे 400 रुपए में मिल रहा था. And I, in my life, I've never bought this for 400 rupees. So जैसे मैंने इसको 400 में देखा, मतलब डाल दो. Actually, I should have bought multiple products. और भी लेने चाहिए थे. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. So this product actually retails for $799, which is 800 rupees, and I got it for 50% off. And this is in the shade 5D, 5W Golden Sand. That's my shade. It just lights so well. I love this consistency of foundations. This is not too thick, this is not too thin. It's just perfect and it blends like magic, guys. इतने साल तो मैंने brush वश कुछ use नहीं किया, मैं हाथ से इसको spread कर दी थी and it's just amazing. And I think the shade perfectly suits my skin tone. और जो खुशी तुम्हारे favorite product को discount में देख के मिलती है ना, वाह, वो खुशी ना मैं लफ्जों में बयान नहीं कर सकती. Let's move on to our next brand, that's Maybelline. And for the very first time, I'm going to try the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I don't use too much of it. I don't like do that proper baking and all. I just use it to dab and settle my foundation on my concealer. Since I have foundation in my hand, let me might as well set it. Huh? How do I open it? I don't want to ruin the powder. Oh, कौन से खोल रही हो यार, ऐसा क्यों नहीं खुल रहा? It is like this. Oh God. Okay guys, if you're buying the Fit Me Loose powder, remember it doesn't open like this, it opens like this. And I've got this in the shade 20, that's light medium. Lega Moyan लिखा है बाजू में.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I dropped the powder. I'm so good at wasting product. 100 रुपए चले गए. Okay, I have a lot of powder over here. I'm just quickly going to apply the powder here. कुछ समझ में तो नहीं आने वाला आपको. I don't know if you can see. Let me just quickly show you. It does have a nice shade to it. And the ones that I have used are always translucent ones without any shade. This one looks much better. So this Fit Me Loose Powder is actually for 695 rupees. 700 रुपए का है, काफी expensive है यार. I got this for 521 rupees, which is why I bought it. The setting powder मुझे ज़्यादा invest नहीं करने थे. Like just like all the other products. The next one that I have is again from Maybelline, and it is the Maybelline Gel Liner, lasting drama gel liner. So this is one product जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती थी कुछ साल पहले, पर फिर पता नहीं क्यों आई स्टॉप यूजिंग इट, पता नहीं ऐसा हमारा ब्रेकअप हो गया, बट कोई नहीं, इस सेल में फिर से पैचअप हो गया। एंड दिस इज अदरवाइज फॉर 500 रुपीज, ये और ये 500 का हो गया। Was this always for 500 rupees? I don't think I've ever bought it for 500 in the past, and I got this for 325 rupees. This is the brush that it comes with. The मस्त कोल टिब्बी में आता है ये। मुझे ऐसा मन ही नहीं करता था इसको टच करने। It looks just so perfect. The minute you put your brush in it, सब गायब। Ooh, the pigmentation of this one is crazy, guys. I actually dipped very little. Let me do it again. This is very nice, very amazing, doesn't smudge at all and stays on your eyes just like that forever. It's matte, and the best part about this is you can create nice smoky looks with this one. So now let's move on to color bar. I always end up buying these colored eye pencils और मैं उसको कभी नहीं यूज करती, but फिर भी मैं खरीदती हूँ, पता नहीं। Hopefully now since I'm doing videos, I'm creating content for my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do that right away. Not right away. First finish watching this video and then go to my Instagram. I'm going to link it down. I wanted to buy just one kajal, but then of course again there was an offer and I was getting a free product on crossing a certain amount, which is why I bought not just one but 2 kajals. This is Colorbar Just Smoky Kajal, and I've got the first one in the shade Just Blue, and this is a nice subtle blue shade. Oh, it has a smudger on this other end. Actually मैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क स्वॉच नहीं कर रही हूँ guys. Oh, it's nice, yeah. Oh, this is so pigmented. Wow. Wow. I really like this color, huh? Very classy. Oh my god, just one swipe, guys. It's amazing. Look at the color payoff in one swipe. So these are for 675 rupees originally, but I got them for 473, and for 473 I think this is a great deal. The other one is also for 473 and I've got this in the shade Just Brown. So I have Just Blue and Just Brown. Ooh, this is so nice. This is amazingly pigmented. I think I'm going to buy the black one of this as well. And with these 2 kajals, I have got a free Colorbar nail paint remover. Now I really like this one. It is acetone free. I have in fact one right over here. I just have 2 now, and इसकी कितना बाकी है यार. But then I thought if I'm getting it for free, why not? This is otherwise, guys, for 125 rupees. So I thought if I'm getting something on discount, 2 amazing kajals plus 1 free nail enamel remover, why not? And this is just amazing, guys. If you're someone who uses acetone, ऐसे ही सस्ता है समझ के types वाला, stop using it. Believe me, this is absolutely worth the price. 100 rupees, 125, and काफी quantity आता है यार. Buy them. Oh, don't buy them. Next time look out for an offer and get it for free, just like I did.
मस्त planning.
So I have one Miss Claire product, the Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks for Eyes. This retails for 65 rupees and I've got this in the shade Sea Green. I know you might be wondering, ये बेचारा अकेला Miss Claire का product मैंने क्यों लिया? So actually yesterday when I was purchasing the Mama Earth products, that's when free delivery के लिए मुझे कुछ extra products डालने थे और मैंने ये खरीदा. I am like the best example जो होता ना, who falls prey to these marketing strategies. मतलब ऐसे मैं ऐसे चली जाती हूँ, ऐसे बह जाती हूँ मैं. Whatever. बेचारा अभी कलर बार के सामने मिस क्लेयर को कंपेयर तो बिल्कुल नहीं करूंगी. ये जुल्म मैं मिस क्लेयर के साथ नहीं करूंगी, but still, come on, let's try. Okay, बेचारा, but not bad, yeah. Not bad for 65 rupees, guys. I think it did a great job. I'm proud of you, Miss Claire. See, I really like this. Okay, now let's do a smudge test.
Let's start with, guys, what the hell?
Buy this. Buy this smoky eyes right now if it's on sale.
It's on sale.
This is not smudging. Okay, of course, a Miss Claire green वाला थोड़ा smudge हो चुका है. Okay, now let me rub it very hard. इतना तो कोई नहीं करता rub. Guys, it's still not going. In fact, even the Maybelline, guys, look at this. And I'm rubbing really hard. I don't know if you can make out, but मैं बहुत लोग Apple का iPhone 12 drop test करते हैं, मैं ये smudge test करती हूँ. The Just Blue is not a smudging at all. What the hell? I am very impressed. In fact, I'm very impressed with the Miss Claire as well. Yeah, 65 rupees, not bad. Very nice. Let me quickly clean my hands now. And to clean my hands, I'm using my favorite Garnier Micellar water. This was not bought in my haul. So now I've finally reached my last brand, which is Nykaa. The Nykaa set of products in my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I had to certainly plug it in. Matlab efforts, guys, efforts. For the efforts, like, share, subscribe. Right now. ये by fluke इतने सारे products हो गए. Again I fell for that. ये भी ले लो, ये भी ले लो, ये मिलेगा मुफ्त वाला strategy of theirs. I am extremely dumb, I feel. I don't know why I'm so proudly telling the number of things I've bought. I actually should feel ashamed that I'm dumb that I fall for all this. I don't know, I'm rethinking my decision of doing this haul, but anyway, since I started, let me just complete it and get over with it. So here I actually wanted to buy one nice sketch liner. I know आप सोच रहे होंगे ये तो ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं होगा, फिर तुम्हारे इतने list of products क्यों बढ़ गए? Let me get there soon. So I have the Nykaa Get Inked. Okay, I went एकदम ऐसे art calligraphy types. एक सीधा लाइन बना लेती हूँ, ऐसे करती हूँ. Pigmentation is kick-ass, needless to say. This is for 450 rupees, but I got it for 315 rupees, and I think for 315 this is a good deal. Now you must be wondering, निशा ने फ्री प्रोडक्ट का लालच इसमें कैसे किया, क्योंकि तो सिर्फ 300 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट था. I have been wanting to buy many different eyeshadows, but since I was buying this and I saw this nice palette by Nykaa as well, that's why I thought चलो ये भी कर लेती हूँ, फिर शायद और प्रोडक्ट्स लेके मेरे को और फ्री प्रोडक्ट भी मिल जाएगा. I know you must be judging me right now, but कोई नहीं. So I have the Nykaa Sundowner Summer Eyeshadow Palette. This looks really nice. It has nice warm tones. Now I don't know much about tones and everything. जो मेरे को थोड़ा पता है, most knowledge मैं बोल रही हूँ. Don't judge me. It has nice matte shades. It has the shimmer shades. I think it has it all. Again मुझे मन नहीं करता है यार ये सब करने का. पता नहीं ये YouTubers और content creators का मतलब जी भी कैसे लगता है ऐसा करने को ऐसा. And ooh, not bad. I like the pigment. Dude, this is good. This is really good. Okay, let me try the pink. I really like the pigmentation of this one. Not bad. I don't know if you can see it. I'm really impressed by this one. I picked up 2 shades on this. This is actually for 599, 600 rupees, but I got it for 479. So I thought it's a great deal. Why not? I'm pretty impressed by this. Good job, guys. Good job. Now you must be wondering कौन सा free product की मैंने लालच की. So now, if I bought a certain amount, I crossed a certain amount, I was getting a free Nykaa matte lipstick. I don't think I have one. I've got a gloss and I've got, oh, I've also got, which I've never used. Where is it? हाँ, जब nail paints order किया तो मुझे एक free liquid matte lipstick भी मिला था, जो मुझे पता नहीं अब कहाँ है, but कोई नहीं, ये वीडियो होने के बाद मैं ढूंढने वाली हूँ. ये of course अभी नहीं, रात के 2:15 guys, like the video, shoot करी 2:15 बैठ के. And I've heard good reviews about Nykaa lipsticks. Nykaa, I think matte lipsticks बोलते हैं उसे. I'm going to show it to you. जो खरीदने के लिए मैंने और 2 products खरीदे. One is of course I bought a Nykaa kajal. This is actually for 199 रुपीज. 200 रुपए का है काजल. काजल कितना महंगा हो गया यार. Okay, this is for 199 otherwise, but I got it for 152 rupees. Let me swatch this also for you. Nice, yeah, very nice. मेरा वो जो कोटा है वो पूरा नहीं हो रहा था to get the free lipstick. I had to buy something else to finish whatever the target was. I don't know, 1500 or whatever it was. And that's why I bought one more nail paint. I chose this shade and I think it's really pretty. Very nice. By the way, I am wearing stick-on nails. I will link a video right here where I've showed you how I have used press-on nails for the very first time. I will also link it down in the description. I think press-on nails are amazing. After I put up this video, I've done it like multiple times. बहुत बार किया. This one is the peppermint color in the shade number 60 and this was 179. I got it for 152 rupees. The shade is nice and I'm pretty sure मैं इसको गिराने वाली हूँ. ये दुर्घटना घटने से पहले मैं इसको अंदर डाल दूंगी. कचरा करके रख दिया मैंने यहाँ पर. Before I show you the last free product, let's do a smudge test. I wanted to check this one specifically. ओके ये भी कर लेते ना साइड बाय साइड, ये भी नीचे है तो दिस इज गुड. हाँ काजल तो ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा होगा ही स्मच, कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं हो गया काजल स्मच. ओके लेट मी जस्ट रब इट हार्ड. ओके दिस इज डूइंग अ गुड जॉब गाइस, नॉट बैड. आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड with the sketch liner. Let me try rubbing the swatch test, scrub test, and the sketch liner has definitely passed the test. I like it.
And now the last one of my big Friday sale haul is, I'm tired, is the last product. Where are you?
Okay, so this is a free वाला product जिसके वजह से मैंने इतने सारे products लिए. The Nykaa So Matte lipstick and it is my very first Nykaa lipstick. By the way, in this complimentary lipstick, you cannot choose the shade. मतलब तुमको सिर्फ भगवान को pray करना है कि तुम्हारे पास एक अच्छा सा shade आ जाए. This is in the shade Pink Flirt. मुझे हमेशा फ्री वाले लिपस्टिक पिंक में ही मिलते हैं. बाय द वे इसका प्राइस है 400 रुपीज. तो यहाँ मेरे को 400 का लिपस्टिक फ्री में मिला. मनीषा ये मत लोगों को बोल इतना सारा शॉपिंग किया उसके लिए. वो भी फिजूल का नहीं यार, फिजूल का थोड़ी. I'm going to use all those products. I just remembered my makeup artist, my friend Afrin, applies Nykaa matte lipsticks on my lips when she does my makeup for events and shoots. I just realized, so I have used Nykaa matte lipsticks and have liked them in the past. And by the way, if you don't know Afrin, I'm going to link the video over here. I'm going to literally sell every video of mine in every other video. It is a nice, cool video, guys. Do watch it if you haven't. It's a shoot experience, behind the scenes thingy of my Amazon shoot. And now without doing any more bakwas, let me show you how this looks. This is nice. It's a peachy pink color. I just don't want to break my lipstick while doing a swatch. Nice. It's very bright peachish pink. I really like the texture of this lipstick. It glides like butter. Okay, let me just do it again. This glides much better and much softer than the Ruby Woo, guys, believe me. Okay, and I think that's it. Finally, the time has arrived where I think I have showed you all the products from my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I am so freaking tired. You have no idea. Guys, this is my first ever makeup haul. I hope I did not bore you with my non-stop bakwas. I'm sorry अगर मैंने आपको बोर कर दिया. Let me know in the comments down below. And अगर मेरा बकवास आपको अच्छा लगा तो वो भी बता दो. You might motivate me to continue doing this kind of bakwas in my future videos, which you have been actually. So सोच समझ कर comment करना. I hope you like this video and I hope you like both the videos of my Nykaa haul. Please hit the like if you like the video and please do hit the like yaar. It's been 12 hours that I'm in this dress with the same makeup, with the same hairstyle. I finished my show and then I started filming this. So at least for the efforts, please hit the like. If you like this video a little more, please comment down below, share it with someone, and yes, if you're still watching this video, you have to hit the subscribe button, make it grey right away. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. This is Nisha Shetty signing off from yet another video. Once again, thank you so much for watching it till the end and keep smiling.